Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the topic that was holy places. Okay, in that topic, we have discussed about the various holy places, or you can say the pilgrimage sites of the different religion. Okay, so the people from the different religion, they follow the different मतलब वो लोग अलग अलग रिलीजन्स को फॉलो करते हैं. दे हैव डिफरेंट पिलग्रिमेज साइट. ओके, एंड दे वांट एवरी पीपल, सो एवरी पर्सन वांट टू पे एटलीस्ट अ विजिट टू देयर pilgrimage site once in their lifetime. Okay, so we have discussed about the various pilgrimage sites of the Catholic religion, Hindu, yes, sorry, Sikh, Hindu we didn't Sikh religion. Okay, and Muslim, that was Makkah, Medina, and Babi religion. Okay, and many others. So today we will start with another topic from our GK book, that is the revision part we are doing. Okay, so today we are going to start with the topic that is quiz yourself 2, given at page number 52. So all of you open your books at page number 52, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay, and this is the topic here, and this is the given at page number 52. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 52, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay, so let's begin with the first question that is given in the topic quiz yourself. So let me just, before explaining the topic or before discussing about the questions that is given in this topic, what is the meaning of quiz? So they can quiz, you must have participated in any of the quiz competition, and where you have observed that all the questions that you are getting in that competitions are related to the different topic. Okay, so just like that, in this topic as well, we will be having the different topics, or we are going to discuss about the various topics that are related to the we are going to have different questions that are related to the different topics. Clear? Starting with the first question of the quiz yourself 2 is, which city hosted the 2014 Asian Games? Okay, so 2014 की जो एशियन गेम्स हुई थी, so in which city it was held, or which city or which country has hosted the 2014 Asian Games? So that is Incheon, South Korea. Incheon is the name of a city that is in South Korea, and that Incheon, in that city the 2014 Asian Games were held. Now, what is the Asian Games? So just like Olympics game and the Commonwealth Games, so these Asian Games, they also have different events, gaming events that are related to the different we can say to the different games. Okay, so they have different number of events related to different games. Okay, and this Incheon, South Korea, that Incheon is the name of the city of the south of Korea, in where 2000, which city that has hosted the 2014 Asian Games. Okay, and that South Korea comes under the Asian continent only, so it is an Asian Games. Okay, so that was the 2014 Asian Games was held in Incheon, South Korea. Incheon, South Korea. Incheon, South Korea. So this city has hosted the 2014 Asian Games. Moving next to the second one. Which of these diseases is not caused on an insect bite? तो नीचे देखिए, here they have given the three options the yellow fever, dengue fever, and the goiter. Okay, so they have given the name of three diseases, that is the yellow fever, डेंगू फीवर एंड गोइटर। ओके, सो ये तीनों डिजीज़ में से ऐसा कौन सा डिजीज़ है जो कि किसी भी कीड़े के काटने से नहीं होता? ओके, विच ऑफ दीज, येलो फीवर, डेंगू फीवर या गोइटर में से कौन सा ऐसा डिजीज़ है जो कि भी किसी भी कीड़े, इंसेक्ट, मॉस्किटो, किसी इंसेक्ट के काटने से नहीं होता? दैट इज, यू नो, येलो फीवर occurs due to the insect bite, dengue due to the mosquito bite, and the goiter. So this is a goiter is a kind of a problem that occurs in the neck, okay, in which you will be having the swollen neck. एक जो गर्दन है वो काफ़ी सूज जाती है। ओके, सो दैट इज goiter. Okay, so which of these diseases is not caused by an insect bite? Okay, so that is goiter. So the answer is goiter. Okay, answer is goiter. So goiter doesn't occurs due to any insect bite. That is goiter. Option number C, Goitre. That is goiter. Okay, that is goiter. Moving next to the third one. Who was Sania Mirza's partner in their winning match for the 2016 Australia Open? ओके, सो 2016 में जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ओपन इवेंट हुआ था, तो ऑन दैट मैच सानिया मिर्ज़ा हैज़ won the 2016 Australia Open title. Okay, and she has won this title along in the doubles category. Doubles category means women's doubles category, in which the two players from the each side, they play a common match. they placed against each other. तो एक साइड, दोनों साइड पे टू प्लेयर्स होते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज वुमेन्स डबल्स. सो दैट मीन्स इन अ कोर्ट देयर आर 4 players, 2 on each side. Okay, and here the question is, who was Sania Mirza? So Sania Mirza has won the title of 2016 Australia Open along with one of the player. Okay, so now the question is that who was that player? She was Martina Hingis. She was Martina Hingis. Okay, along with Martina Hingis, Sania Mirza has won the 2016 Australia Open title in the women's doubles category. And her name is Martina Hingis. Her name is Martina Hingis. Third is Martina, Martina. That is Martina Hingis. Okay, so she has won this title along with the Martina Hingis of 2016 Australia Open. Okay, चलिए, moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, what is the capital of Japan? तो जापान की कैपिटल क्या है? What is the capital of Japan? So the capital of Japan is Tokyo. So the capital of Japan is Tokyo, or you can say the Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Okay, so the capital of Japan is, that is the fourth one, that is Tokyo. That is Tokyo. Okay, so I'll just give you a very small, some more little bit information about the Tokyo. Okay, so the Tokyo, the earlier name of Tokyo was Edo, E-D-O. So the earlier name of Tokyo was Edo. Okay, second thing, the Japanese royal family. Okay, देखिए टोक्यो के बारे में 2-3 चीज़ें that I want to tell you. The first thing is Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Second, the earlier name of Tokyo was Edo, E-D-O. It was the earlier name of Tokyo. Third is the Japanese royal family. So जापान की जो royal family है, they reside in this city only, that is Tokyo. Clear? Other than that, the current event I am just telling you that, you know, that there was Olympics was organized, or sorry, the Olympics was scheduled to be held in the Tokyo in the year 2020, but due to the corona pandemic, it didn't happen, or it didn't happen to. Okay, so now it has been rescheduled for around the Olympics has been rescheduled, and it is going to be organized by the same country or the same city, that is Tokyo. This is going to be held in the Tokyo only. Okay, but on 23rd July 2021. तो देखिए जो ओलंपिक्स 2020 में होने थे अब वो होंगे 2021 में, दैट मीन्स दिस ईयर, एंड इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 23rd of July. Okay, and it will be organized by or it will be hosted by this Tokyo only. Okay, so देखिए मैंने आपको टोक्यो सिर्फ कैपिटल के अलावा 2-3 चीज़ें बताई. द कैपिटल of Japan is Tokyo. Second thing is the Tokyo is also the earlier name of the Tokyo was Edo, and the third thing is that the Japanese royal family, they resides in the Tokyo only. Clear? Moving next to the fifth one. What is the full form of political party AAP? The fifth is, what is the full form of political party AAP? AAP. Okay, so you must have heard about this AAP. So AAP is, what is the full form of AAP? Double AP. Okay, that is double AP. AAP. So what is the full form of AAP? So the full form of AAP is Aam Aadmi Party. So the full form of this AAP is Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, this is a newly formed party, मतलब ये नई बनी हुई party other than BJP and Congress. Okay, and Arvind Kejriwal, he is a representative of this Aam Aadmi Party, and this Aam Aadmi Party is the ruling party in the capital of our country, that is New Delhi. Okay, so दिल्ली में जो ruling party है, that is Aam Aadmi Party. Though in the center the ruling party is BJP, but in Delhi, the capital of our country, okay, so the ruling party in the Delhi is AAP, that is Aam Aadmi Party. Clear? Okay, so Aam Aadmi Party is the ruling party in New Delhi. Okay, and the full form of AAP is Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, and who is serving as the representative of Aam Aadmi Party in the New Delhi, that is Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal is also the chief minister of Delhi. Okay, Arvind Kejriwal दिल्ली के chief minister भी हैं. Okay, मुख्यमंत्री हैं. Okay, and he is the representative of this AAP party, that is Aam Aadmi Party. Clear? Moving next to the sixth one. In November 2015, who became the fastest ever Indian cricketer to take 150 test wickets? ओके, सो नवंबर 2015 में सबसे पहले भारतीय क्रिकेटर, ओके, सबसे पहले इंडियन क्रिकेटर कौन थे? दैट हु हैड बिकेम द फास्टेस्ट एवर इंडियन क्रिकेटर टू टेक 150 टेस्ट विकेट्स. ओके, सो सबसे जल्दी 150 टेस्ट विकेट्स लेने वाले इकलौते आज तक के सबसे आज तक के 150 टेस्ट विकेट्स लेने वाले इंडियन क्रिकेटर कौन है? ही इज़ इंडियन फुटबॉलर, ही इज़ एन इंडियन बॉलर. हिज नेम इज़ रविचंद्रन अश्विन. सो अश्विन, you had R. Ashwin. You must have seen him during the matches, during the cricket matches. Okay, so he is one of the finest bowler in our Indian cricket team. Okay, and his full name is Ravichandran Ashwin. So Ravichandran Ashwin, he is the first Indian cricketer who became the fastest ever to take 150 टेस्ट विकेट. सो सबसे जल्दी 150 टेस्ट विकेट्स लेने वाले या करने वाले सब इंडियन क्रिकेटर कौन है? दैट इज R. Ashwin, और यू कैन राइट द नेम एज रविचरण अश्विन. रविचंद्रन, नॉट चरण, इट इज रविचंद्रन अश्विन. Sixth is Chandran. He is Ravi Chandran Ashwin. He is Ravi Chandran Ashwin. Clear? So these are the answers from the first 6 blanks from the quiz yourself. The first is Incheon, South Korea, where the 2014 Asian Games were held. Second is Guaita, so this doesn't caused by due to the insect bite. Martina Hingis, she is the lawn tennis player. Okay, with her, Martina Hingis. Saina Mirza has won the 2016 Australia Open title in the women's doubles category. Fourth is Tokyo, the capital of Japan. Fifth is the full form of AAP is Aam Aadmi Party. The sixth is Ravi Chandran Ashwin, the first Indian bowler to take the 150 test wickets fastest. First Indian bowler to take the fastest 150 test wickets. Clear? Okay, now moving next to the 7th one. Okay, so now moving to the 7th. The 7th is okay, which of the letters given below fills in the blank in the series? Okay, so here they have given some letters, and while observing the pattern we have to fill it with the correct alphabet. So first of all, let's observe the pattern and give the answer. What alphabet will come in the blank? Okay, so here the pattern that is given is, okay, so as we can see, that is D, then blank is there, then L, P, T, and next is X. Okay, so these alphabets are given here. Okay, while observing the pattern we have to fill this. Okay, and the options that are given here is E, option number A, B is K, C is G, and D is H. Clear? Okay, so let's begin with the pattern here. So D and blank. Okay, so as यहाँ पे already the blank is here, so we will observe from here. Okay, so as we can observe, देखिए L to P, L से P तक जाने के लिए L, M, N, O, P. So that means if we add 4 alphabets, okay, so P is the next fourth alphabet from L. So L के बाद जो next 4th alphabet है, that is L. Okay, next P to T, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, so that means the next 4th alphabet from P to T is this, plus 4. T to X, okay, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. So after adding the next 4th alphabet you will get X. So that means the next 4 alphabet from L to P is, so the next 4th alphabet from L is P, the next 4th alphabet from P to P is T, and the next 4 alphabet from T is X. So that means we are adding 4th alphabet, so we are adding the next or 4th alphabet from the letter alphabet. So here as we can see, so what will be the next 4th alphabet from D? After D, D, E, F, G, H. So that means H. So H is the next 4th alphabet from D. So the answer is H. Okay, so here we will put H. Clear? This is the answer here, that is H. Moving next to the 8th one. 8th is, which state of Jharkhand formerly a part of Bihar? Okay, sorry, which state was Jharkhand formerly a part of? Okay, so जो झारखंड है, ओके, वो पहले किस स्टेट का पार्ट था बिफोर पार्टीशन? okay, of Jharkhand from the one of the states of the our country. So it belongs to Bihar. Okay, so Jharkhand was earlier the part of Bihar, but in the year 2000, the three new states were formed. That was Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand, and the third, I think, I'm not getting the Uttarakhand. Okay, so Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, and Chhattisgarh. So these three are the newly formed state, and these three new formed states were made in the year 2000. Okay, so Uttarakhand was parted from the Uttar Pradesh only. Second, Jharkhand was earlier the part of Bihar, and then it has been made a separate state. The next is Chhattisgarh, and it has been and the Chhattisgarh was formed from Orissa. Okay, so these three states were newly formed states in the year 2000. Okay, so here the question is, which state was Jharkhand formerly a part of? तो जब झारखंड नहीं बना था उससे पहले वो किस स्टेट का पार्ट था? So Jharkhand was formerly a part of Bihar. So the answer of the eighth is Bihar. Bihar. That is Bihar. Clear? Moving next to the ninth one. What is the name of the highest dam in India? Okay, with a height of 260 meter. So India के सबसे highest dam का क्या नाम है? And the height of this dam is 260 meter. So what is the name of the highest dam in India whose height is 260 meter? So the name of the highest dam of India is, that is Tehri Dam. That is Tehri Dam. So Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India, and it has the height of near about 260 meter. So the Tehri Dam, which is 260 meter, okay, and it is the highest dam of India. So the answer of the ninth is, that is Tehri Dam. So the answer of the ninth is, that is Tehri Dam. So Tehri Dam is the highest dam of India. Tehri Dam is the highest dam of India. Clear? And the height of the Tehri Dam is near about 260 meters. Okay? Chaliye. Moving next to the 10th one. What is the capital of Goa? Okay, so Goa is one of the smallest state. Though the Sikkim is the smallest state, and the Goa is the second smallest state of our country in the term of region, in the term of area. Okay, so next is, so question is, what is the capital of Goa? So Goa की capital क्या है? So the capital of Goa is Panji. So the capital of Goa is Panji. Okay. So the answer of the 10th is Panji. Capital of Goa is Panji. Panji. So the capital of Goa is Panji. Clear? So these are the answers from 7 to 10. Okay, 7th, that was a missing alphabet, that is H. 8th, Bihar. Okay, so Jharkhand was earlier formerly the part of Bihar before division, not partition, division you will say. Next is the 9th, that is Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India with a height of 260 meter. Next is Panji. Panji is the capital of Goa. So the capital of Goa is Panji. Okay. Chaliye. Now we will move to the next, that is the 11th one. Let's move to the 11th question. So the question number 11 is, which very popular film was about an alien whose full name was Punmiya Kushal? Okay. So this is now we are talking about the entertainment industry, I think, which is the one of the favorite topic of yours. Okay. So there's this here in this question is given, which very popular film was about an alien whose name was Punmiya Kushal. ऐसा कौन सा एक पॉपुलर कैरेक्टर है, that is a movie about a alien, एक alien की movie थी Okay, so in that the main character was an alien whose full name was Punmya Kushal. So the name of the movie is PK. Okay, and starring Anushka Sharma and Amir Khan, in which the name of the Amir Khan का जो नाम था that was PK. Okay, which full abbreviation is Punmya Kushal. Okay, that is PK. Punmya Kushal. So the answer of the 11th one is PK. So this was the movie about an alien. Okay, so this was the movie about an alien on which Amir Khan had played the title role of PK, whose full name or full form was Punmya Kushal. Moving next to the 12th one, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? Okay, so Wi-Fi we use for the internet. So what is the full form of that? आपने यूज़ तो बहुत करते हो. So have you ever observed that what is the full form it? So the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. That is wireless fidelity. That is wireless fidelity. So this is the full form of Wi-Fi. Wireless. Fi for fidelity. Okay, Y is wireless, Fi for fidelity. So the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Moving next to the 13th question. Which of these substances is a constituent of water? So now we are talking about the substance that is constituent of water. So here they have given the options. The first is oxygen, second is helium, and the third is nitrogen. So about oxygen, helium और nitrogen में से कौन सा जो है that is a substituent of, so that is a constituent of water. Rather it's oxygen or helium or nitrogen. So the answer is oxygen. H2O. Okay, so that is H2O. Okay, so the H2O. Okay, this is the chemical formula of water. H means hydrogen. So they have not given hydrogen here. O2 is there, and O means oxygen. So that means the constituent of water up from oxygen, helium, and nitrogen is oxygen. So oxygen is a constituent of water. You can find oxygen in the water as well. Okay, so that is oxygen. OXYGEN. That is oxygen. Okay, moving next to the 14th one. What is the official distance of a marathon race in the Olympic Games? So एक Olympics game में marathon race का जो official distance वो कितना होता है? Okay, so the Olympic is a gaming event in which the number of events from the different sports are taken or organized, not taken, or organized. Okay, so in the Olympics, the first thing that is done, that is the marathon. Okay, so what is the official distance of the marathon race? जो कि Olympics में जो marathon race करवाई जाती है, what is the official distance of it? So the official distance of the marathon race in the Olympics game is 42 kilometers and 195 meters. That is 42 kilometers and 195 meters. So we can write it as 42.195 kilometer. Okay, that is 42 meter and 195 meter. Okay, or you can say 42.195 kilometer. So this is the official distance of the marathon race, that is in the Olympics games. Moving next, the last, which is the longest river on the earth? Okay, धरती के ऊपर सबसे लंबी नदी कौन सी है? So which is the longest river on the earth? That is river Nile. Okay, or you can say the Nile river is the longest river on the earth. This is the answer of the last, that is Nile river. Okay, and it is located in Egypt. Okay, and the Pyramid of Giza, that is located on the bank of this river, the longest river in the world, on the earth. The Nile River. The pyramid of Giza is located on the bank of this river only. Okay, and this river is located in Egypt, and River is the longest river on the earth. So these are the answers from the question number 11 to 15 from your book. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.